like to welcome you guys back to Anderson, Indiana, block number 3. Do you have anything to say?
I love Packy Hanneran.
You heard it here first.
Packy told me to be quiet, guys, so I can't say anything. 10 pin from Willis. I'm gonna keep it nice and simple because Packy's gonna yell at me if I don't keep it nice and simple. It's a great shot by Michupe, everybody. Settle. They're adjusting to what they used to do or what they need to do. Bad habit.
block cut.
Oh yeah.
All right, little in-between block haircut from the Barber Gallery on Instagram. So if you like my cut, you can check them out. And if you're ever in the Fort Wayne area, stop by.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna find out.
I'll find out. If he does, then look for a BB in Whitehall. William Patterson.
It's nothing crazy.
I see it. Top 20, I think the last two that made it were left. It's like, oh, well, whatever it says on the side, it should be that. It was a case full of potential stars, I'd imagine.
Anytime.
statistically speaking, the left was not nice this block. But with that being said, focusing on some of the good things, I need to learn a little bit about which reactive balls look good when the lanes get like this, because it's about 2 or 3 weeks in a row where every block the lanes have gotten tighter, and I needed to have a good idea of what reactive balls were going to look good. You saw me fire through a couple that last game, or maybe you didn't. So I threw a lot of reactive balls. The last game I threw the Pure Madness, which was a little too early. I switched to the Cuda. That ball looked pretty good. So I'm gonna come back in tomorrow, practice on the pattern that we're bowling on, because the same thing happens every block where that transition gets down. It's not even transition. They keep re-oiling. The oil keeps going further down lane. I need to be a little bit better when that happens. So I'm gonna try and work on throwing a bunch of different reactive balls and seeing, kind of putting together a progression of 4 to 6 balls that I can throw when the lanes get like this. So tomorrow I'll be bringing a lot of balls into practice and seeing what works. Let's get it. And I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.